Well, there's the nice sunstar. But we're working on this other one. She's pretty torn up. We're working on the hydraulic pump. Hooks to the transmission. There's two of them. One of them's going back on. So if anyone wants to see kind of what's going on under there, it's kind of a lot to undo. You got to move the engine forward, take the drive shaft off, unhook your lines from your steering to your transmission. This other hose, gotta unhook that one. Oh, that's a couple hours worth of work just to get it off. Another couple probably to get her back on. Just in case anyone wanted to see what it looked like.